Hi, this is Luke Untitled Parts Plus. Today with a 2011 Great Wall, stock number 6557, V200 240. This has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front guard no dents, left front door 2 dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Kenworth CD stack stereo, interior mirror, front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,